dbForge Search is a free add-in for SQL Server Management Studio that lets you quickly search for SQL across your test or production databases. The tool is as simple as ABC. Just open it from the SSMS toolbar, pick a connection, databases, and the objects you want to search through. Type a piece of code you want to find, and that's it. When a database contains numerous objects, remembering the name of an obscure stored function or finding the correct view can be quite painful. Luckily, dbForge Search copes with all of that quickly and accurately. Never again do you have to waste time trawling through Management Studio Object Explorer to find what you're looking for. Instead, you can jump to the search results in a wink. But wait, there's more. What about searching for table data? It's not a big deal for dbForge Search. Just switch to the corresponding mode and hit Search. Select the table in the Objects grid and see all search results highlighted in the Data grid. Just download the dbForge Search SSMS add-in for free and find out how easy and painless object and data searches can be.